Welcome back. This is the third video in our series, our little mini series on how to install the fencing. Remember, this is double the speed to make the video a little shorter and still give you an idea of what's going on. And I would like to point out that I also, when I'm installing the fencing, I kind of look at each board and see if there are any imperfections that I might not like. You know, you can always put, if you got a board with a split in it, you could always put that over a 4x4 and then use the 4x4 to put a few more screws in to prevent the split from getting larger, or from, might even be able to pull it back together. Even if you have a bow or a cup in one of the boards, then you could always you put that over the 4x4, if possible. If not, set it off to the side and take it back to the lumber yard or the home improvement center, wherever you got it from. Some of those places don't mind if you take the stuff back like that. And this is kind of just repetitious stuff. You already saw this in the previous videos, but I will be providing you with more videos of me installing fencing, kind of different angles if you need to get a better idea of what I'm doing. But more than likely, the fencing, like I said earlier, this is going to be about the easiest part of the fence installation process, especially if you're using your string there to set everything. And you can see where it looks nice and straight. Everything's nice and straight. Now, when you use this design here, where you're installing the fencing on each side, you're not going to be able to just sit back and stare down the fence and say, hey, there's 100 feet of straight fencing. This actually helps you with that too, if things aren't going to be as perfect. And it wouldn't be a bad idea to grab your level and check. Maybe after you've installed 5 or 6 of these boards, grab the level and make sure that everything's still nice and straight. Especially if you're building a long fence where all the boards are on the same side, you'd better check it, because if you go about 20 boards and you find yourself off 3/4 of an inch or something like that, that's probably going to be hard to make that up. So anyway, that's it for the video here. Make sure you watch some of the other videos in the series, and let us know if you like these videos by hitting the thumbs up button.